Let me say you something that going to sound wrong at first. If you are a thumbnail designer, the worst client you can ever have are not the ones with the low views. The worst client you can ever have are the ones with the high views. I know that sounds stupid because everyone tells you go after a big creator, big money, big views. But all of that advice ignores one thing. That the thing is views don't pay. People do. And today I want to show you why the creators getting 500, 100,000 or 2000 views are the best creator and the best client you can ever get. Especially if you are serious about building a real business, not just flexing a screenshot. I learned this hard way, but I will tell you easily in this video. I learned this very hard way after being ignored by big creators and getting by small ones paid. So let's zoom out. Right now on YouTube, there are two completely different economies running and most people don't see them. That's why they get confused all the time. The first is creator economy. This is the place where views are the main currency. Like, subscribe, share, comment, virality, ego metrics. This is a world where attention is the most important thing. And the second is business economy. This is a place where money is the currency. Sales, client, coaching, systems, cash flow. These are the terms of this business economy. And this is the place where people build leverage and get more clients, leads and build real money. And most designers make this mistake. They try to judge every creator using creator economy rules, but they try to sell the business economy services. That's the mistake that they made. A creator with 1 million views might look rich, but if YouTube is their just hobby, they don't care. Whereas a creator with 1000 views might look small, like a broke, but if YouTube is their main business funnel, they will deeply care about it. Because for them, one extra client from YouTube isn't just dopamine. For them, it's rent, payroll, growth. Low views creators aren't losing attention, they are losing real money, and this pain creates buyers. Let me ask you something, who is more stressed? A creator who is getting 1 million views and who uploads whenever they feel like it, or the creator who is getting 800 views and who knows YouTube has to work for them for their business? The second one, you are right. Because low views creators are still in the game. They are watching analytics, they are refreshing studio, they are wondering what am I doing wrong. That means they are looking for the answer. They are not emotionally attached to their style yet. But big creators, no. They don't want kind of a help, but they want confirmation. That means they are not looking for the answers. They are not looking for the help. But small creators, they want help. They want relief. And the creators, I mean the person who wants relief, are willing to pay for it. That's why your email to small creators get more reply. Not because all of a sudden your work become better, but because this time you was speaking to someone who was actually listening to you. Here's the advantage no one talks about. Low views creators are small early stage businesses, and the early stage businesses are the best place to build leverage because every improvement you shows up very faster. Let's say if a channel gets 1000 views per video and suddenly get 2000 views, that's a 100% increase. But if a channel gets 1 million views and suddenly jumps to 1.05 million, no one even notice. Same work, completely different perceived impact. This means three things for you. The first, your thumbnails work better here. The second, your confidence grow. And the third, your case studies compound. And case studies are the currency to get more clients. Big creators don't make you money now. They make you money later. But the small creators, they make you money fast now at the moment. And they give you proof to climb up on the ladder. And this how begins real businesses and real careers. Not from the hype, but from momentum. Here's the part that most people miss. Low views creators don't stay low forever. Some cute, some stagnant, and the one who grows. They remember who helped them when nobody cared about them. They don't nickel and dime you later. They don't question your rates. They don't disappear after one project because you are not just a designer. You are the part of their journey. And as their business grows, your price grows too. And that's how retainers are born. That's how referrals happen. And that's how one client turned into five. Not by chasing peaks, but by supporting climbs. And the biggest agencies in the world, they didn't start by serving to giants. They grew with their clients. So you are a thumbnail designer and you are frustrated because you are sending perfect redesign to the big creators and getting ignored. Good. That's not bad. That's not rejection. That's filtering. And that is good. Because you have to stop chasing views and start chasing intent. Because at 1,000 views beats 1 million views which are random, and the 1,000 views with purpose is absolutely best. That's the reason you have to stop chasing views but start chasing intent. And the fastest way to win in this game isn't to look impressive, but is to be useful to the people who actually care. And stop doing this such thing of redesigning thumbnails for big creators. Start doing it for low views creator, because low views creator aren't a step down, they are the foundation, so build there.